In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Agree button in Microsoft Forms. This is a handy feature if you want to ensure that respondents explicitly confirm their consent or understanding of something before proceeding. Let's dive right in and look at how you can set this up. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Microsoft Forms. If you're not already familiar, Microsoft Forms is a part of the Office 365 suite, which allows you to create surveys, quizzes, and polls with ease. Once you're on the Microsoft Forms page, you'll need to sign in. Use your existing Microsoft account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, it's easy to create one and start using Microsoft Forms right away. Next, once you've logged in, you'll have the option to select an existing form that you want to edit, or you can create a new one from scratch. If you're going to add this Agree button to an ongoing project, opening your existing form might be the best choice. However, for those starting fresh, just click on the New Form button to get started. Now that your form is open, it's time to add a new question. Look for the plus button, which will allow you to insert a new element. When you click it, you'll see a drop-down menu. From here, choose Choice, which is perfect for simple responses like yes or no, or in this case, I agree. Once you've added a choice question, you'll need to type your question into the newly created question box. A good example is, please confirm you have read the terms. Make sure your question is clear and to the point, as this will ensure that respondents fully understand what they're agreeing to. Beneath this question box, you'll see default response options. For this specific task, we want to make sure that there's only one option: I agree. So, remove any default options that appear by default. You can do this by clicking on each unwanted option and selecting Delete, leaving only the space for one option. Type I agree into this remaining option field. To ensure that each respondent must select I agree before they can continue, toggle the Required button. This makes the question mandatory and guarantees that everyone who fills out the form cannot submit it without indicating their agreement. Lastly, when you've finished making your form, it's time to share it with your audience. Click on the Collect Responses button and you'll be provided with options on how to distribute your form. You can send it via email, share a link, or even post it on social media to reach your respondents effectively. And there you have it. You've successfully added an Agree button to your Microsoft form, ensuring that all participants acknowledge your terms. This is a great way to capture consent and clarify understanding in any form or survey you conduct.